So this is an iced coffee double espresso with banana juice and dates and coconut milk. It is extraordinarily good. I found some vegan options that aren't the usual curry lentil mush, which is good too, but it's really refreshing to eat something different once in a while. And while I was eating, I lost the filling from one of my teeth. I am on my way to a dentist now. Another adventure. These guys would rather kill you than slow down. Traffic is getting thicker, air is getting way worse. See, like everybody's going anywhere they want. Police saw me filming, not a problem. As long as things keep moving, it's fine. Welcome to a city hospital in Gaul. The lady behind me literally just took a photo of my tooth and sent it to the dentist for WhatsApp. So I'm done here. The doctor and the staff were really nice. To fill that tooth back up again, it took about 40 minutes. It was a bit different than the experiences I had at home so far, but it worked out fine in the end. There was a bit of a blackout. The ceiling lights went off, but the little lamp right above my head kept working, and all the drills, all the machinery kept working. The whole thing cost 8,000 rupees plus 1,800 consultation fee. That was fun.
The next morning.
My little hipster breakfast, a soy cappuccino and vegan chocolate pancakes. And I have a little guest this morning. He's hanging on my lawn. Hello. This seems to be an old Sri Lanka Air Force airplane. Right next to the Kogala airport, by the way. So this is the Sri Lankan Air Force between 1973 and 2003. Cockpit doesn't look super trustworthy these days. But wow. Quite cool. Nice. Getting the free tea by the people here. Very cool. What's it called? What's the name of this?
Herbal garden.
You put it on the toothpaste?
Yes.
Oh.
2 times a week, like 1 month. Healthy, strong and white tea. Clove, cinnamon, cardamom, aralu mixed together. Noni, very good for the brain, memory, Alzheimer, Parkinson, osteoporosis, osteoarthritis. The world famous noni juice for the brain. Look like a brain. Bean kohomba, hirasa, papaya, aralu, banana. Mix the jam and syrup making hemorrhoids.
Have a mimosa.
And inside like gel. Gel and 50% aloe vera. Mix the syrup for the gastritis.
How long have you been working here?
This place was 68 years ago, right? But yeah, 17 years.
Oh yeah, I might take that. So he's asking me about 60 euro for everything. I am offering him 25.
Don't share.
Alright man, thank you.
Herbal garden.
So this is supposedly hibiscus tea. Blue hibiscus. One main strip, loads of tourist traps and shops, overpriced stuff, a lot of Russian tourists, seen some Germans. People don't care about traffic rules at all. That's the only thing I like about this place. Loads of restaurants, with loads of Western options. Still kind of a nice hangout, of course. This is the only music store between Matana and Colombo, by the way.
Herbal garden. Herbal garden. Herbal garden.
Very nice. So this really nice looking sitar is $500 only. These harmoniums are cool too. This evening I'm going to a cacao ceremony, sound healing, ecstatic dance event. Just stumbled upon this temple on a little bit of a hill. Wow. Purple-faced lemurs in the trees. And this is a Bodhi tree. The tree under which Buddha got enlightened. Wow. So cool. The dogs are freaking out. baby.
Baby.
Beautiful. Guys giving me a tour. So friendly. The turtle. Saying hello. Beautiful. Giving me a full-blown tour. Oh wow. Beautiful. Buddha.
Buddha.
Thank you very much. Thanks. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay. Yeah, I've seen it. Beautiful. I was walking now. Wow. The monkeys. Hello. So cool. Sounds they make. Wow. Giant fruits hanging from the tree. What a place. What a vibe. And they only have plant-based food? Of course they do. Today, December 26th, 2022. Exactly 18 years ago, a disaster of enormous proportions hit this country. It is 10:30 now. At this time, 18 years ago, 32,000 people were already dead. The tsunami struck at about 8 o'clock in the morning. All those lives could have been spared had there been a warning system. There was enough time to warn the people. The waves crossed over from Indonesia, which took a couple of hours. 12,000 kids alone died here. Leftover landmines from the Civil War got swept to the surface and spread all over the coastline. Ever since, evacuation route signs have been set up everywhere. But even the locals don't really know whether or not the new warning system is really reliable. Delicious roti filled with mango and banana. Hello. Hello. Here we are at Yoga Sri Shala. Chilling out with the dogs. The dogs seem to be a bit freaked out. It's a monitor lizard. It's rained pretty heavily, and underneath these palm leaves you have a gazillion ants seeking shelter from the rain. And there's the cacao. And the musicians from Iran are setting up the gear. Love those flutes. I'm not a saint, I'm not new to reckless driving, but there's one thing that really freaks me the f out, and it is everything that has these words on it. No, you don't understand. What fucker don't care? The biggest vehicles on the streets of Sri Lanka are the fastest vehicles on the streets of Sri Lanka, simply overpowering everybody. classic. Happens every 5 minutes. This is batshit crazy. Look at this craziness. So the guy drives like that all day, and all of the other buses do it too. It's a miracle that there is no accident on every single journey. That way. I don't know what the official rules are. They don't slow down. They will go on your lane. They will honk the horn like crazy, high beam. You will have to get out of the way. Accidents happen, of course, but the traffic is always flowing. Nobody's ever stopping. It's all about getting from A to B fast. The blinker is always on. This is the center of Ahangama, the city where I'm staying. Well, the little town actually. Basically the main intersection. Alongside the main road with all the buses, all the hectic noise, the train tracks right over there. The traffic cops I always drive away from when they try to pull me over. And these nutters. Guys selling fish right by the local wine store where there's always a big line in front of. Next to the bus that the locals call the Undertaker. Disco Buddha is waiting for you. So all is good.